Good morning. Right, today we're going to do this bit down that little valley there, all up the side, all around the trees. Same with this, all along there, around the trees. And that'll keep us busy, I think. And I've just noticed this tree is in the shape of a perfect square. He's doing things a bit differently. Right, I've been advised to go all metal on the detector, so that's what I'm going to do. Right, we're on all metal. We'll do that in a sec. Let's go up to 29. Right, see how we get on. See if we can get another hammered. Okay, that's the first signal there. Musket ball. Right in the middle of the plug. Another light bulb. Crazy. Right, we've got a little coin in there. I think that's one of these. It is, it's a halfpenny. Yeah, just a halfpenny there. Don't know if you can see them, but I just had a signal right in the middle of an ant's nest. I'll just leave it, but I don't know if you can even see them, but they're all running about sort of fixing it. Man, that could be a hammered coin in there. Nah, it's nowhere close. I'll have to destroy their house just to find it. I'll leave it for another day. This was pretty deep. Not sure what it is, maybe a mount for something. It does look old, it doesn't look modern. Not sure. Right, I just found that, and it might be a watch winder that's broken off. That's what I'm thinking there, which is quite nice. Oh, there it is. It's out. 3p. $1930s, 1938, I think. I can't see anything through my screen. Oh well, not bad. Right, I'm not sure what it is yet, but this has to be one of the deepest coins I've ever dug up. Oh, yeah, I think that's a button, sorry. Another one, I'm pretty sure I found a very similar one the other day. Maybe, was it yesterday? Yeah, you can just see the shank there again. Oh well, man, that was deep. Look at that, guys. A buckle. Very nice. That should be dateable. It's got a pretty Man, it's pretty big, isn't it? Excellent. Hopefully by the time I get this video up, I'll have figured out a date for this. That's really nice. That is really nice, actually. Man, that is a first. I think I got it out first time. Oh man, I did. Ooh. What is this? What is this? Is that a hair clip? Let me... Nah, it's just a strap thing. Right, anyone know what this horrible looking thing might be? It's cloth material there and then a little brass clip. I thought maybe like a money pouch, but if it was, there's nothing in it. It looks pretty disgusting. It might be something weird, but anyway, let me know. Right, the next signal's in here, so I'll bust this open. Oh, ooh. Looks like a modern 2p. Oh, it is. A modern 2p. Right, there's something very green and interesting looking here, so... What's that? A drawer handle. No, that's... Is that a bird? I don't know. Hold on a minute, I need to... I'm going to clean this up. This is either just a drawer handle or a deliberate sort of thing, like an animal. I don't know. I think a drawer handle, right? But we'll clean it. Right, have a look at that. I hope you can see it. Now, I thought that was a drawer handle, but I've cleaned it and I don't think that is. I think that's part of a decorative, like a buckle or a brooch or something. Honestly, I think that's like the heads, two heads of some sort of bird. What do you think? Yeah, I don't think that's a drawer handle. I could be wrong. Honestly, man, look at the colour of it. That's lovely. See if I can show you. I'm sure I can see an eye just behind the mouth. Oh. Right, I'll have to do a bit of research when I get home. Let me know what you think. That looks really, really interesting. Alright, pointer pal, I hear you. Very nice. Right, disaster guys. I was walking back to my bag to put it in my bag for safekeeping, and one of the heads fell off. Man, that's devastating, but at least I managed to get it with both heads. But now, I can't film in this sunshine. Right, now you can see that is a head, eh? I mean, to be honest, see if I had just found that, I'd probably be pretty happy. Still looks amazing. I wonder if there was another two. Two there, and it made a buckle, maybe. I don't know. Right, there's the hole where I just dug that little animal thing up from. Look at that, I think there's another bit in there. So what I'm going to do, I'll stick you on a tripod, we'll dig it up live. Man, this would be good if it's... Can't see anything. Right, I'll set the tripod up, we'll go for a live dig. Right, let's see. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, pretty much right next to where the other bit was, so I'm going to be gentle here. Oh, where's my screwdriver? Oh, I think I can see something. No. Yes, I can. Right, hold on. Take my glove off. Oh, it is. It is. Look at that. Oh, man. So they definitely went together, or is it just two drawer handles? Nah, no way. Look at that. That's a alligator or something. Oh man. Right. I'm gonna be gentle with this one. Right, let's get the other bit out and put them together. Oh man. That is fantastic. What is it though? Obviously a buckle or a... Man. Yeah, I'm going with a buckle. It's got that bit there. Right, hold on. Pause it just now, I'll get the other bits. Look at that. What do you think? Either two drawer handles or some sort of buckle. Or some such thing. Look at it. Am I just seeing things though? I hope you can see that. Right. I've got a lot to do when I get home. Lovely, I think. Next find, smack in the middle of this path, is a ship's halfpenny from 1942. £19.58 shilling. In good condition, but 0% silver. No silver at all because it's too modern. Okay, that's me done for the day. Just a half day today, I need to go home. So I think what I'll do from now on, at least here, is use all metal. I quite liked it. Definitely a bit better, I think. So I'll see you next time. Okay, not so much a roundup this evening, just try to figure out what both of these buckles are. This one, I can't find any exact matches, like down to the T. You notice it's got a hole. It's got holes on either side of the bit there. I think from what I've seen on the databases, it's probably 1700s, I think between 1720 and 1760. I think that's what I've figured out. There are honestly, see, once you start looking into it properly, there are there's so much stuff you need to know. Like I haven't even begun to learn anything really once you really look into it. And then this beautiful little thing. honestly, I haven't figured out much about this either. All I've figured out is that the name of this type of thing, zoomorphic, which I think just means anything that's made with an animal in mind. So it's got an animal pattern. It's obviously a bird, an alligator, or a drawer handle. But honestly, I've spent hours, I'm not kidding, hours going through all these databases, and two on the same website came up that look similar. I don't think they're the same thing. These are Roman, both Roman. And this one, it says, is a horse. Yeah, zoomorphic Roman horse with a, you can see the mane they've carved into it. It's got a little ear. Mine doesn't really look, it does look similar, but it's missing the ear, and it doesn't have a curved neck with a mane. It's just a straight pole. But there could have been loads of different ones of these. So this, also, from what I've seen, it doesn't look Roman. It looks too well made. Maybe medieval, or a drawer handle. And then this thing, I came across this, which is, it's probably hard to see in black and white. There's two little heads there with a little bit in the middle. They would have connected. See if I can fit it, sort of like that. And again, that is a, what does it say? Late Roman buckle. And it says they're dolphins. Dolphins? What? I don't think I've ever seen a dolphin with... Anyway, right, aye, so zoomorphic. As far as I can tell, it's a very old zoomorphic buckle or brooch. And by very old, I mean either Roman, medieval, post-medieval, 18th century, or it could just be a 1950s drawer handle. I really appreciate any help on this one. Look at the colour of it though. Nah, that's got to have a bit of age to it. Look at that. Beautiful. And I bet, see that bit there? That's the bit. In fact, I'll show you. Look at that. That's got to be a buckle, hasn't it? They've both got the exact same bit. That is a buckle. That is a zoomorphic buckle. I've lost the other head. I'll find it in a sec. So, any help, greatly appreciated, guys. I guarantee somebody out there already knows what this is. That's a great find though. That is probably the best buckle, second best buckle I've found so far. If it turns out to be Roman, it'll be the best. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.